Candida here, and I recently ordered the Claw Sable Cat House. I'm not a cat person, but I ended up having strays that took to me, and they like to hang out at my place. It's getting colder out, and while they're not coming inside, I do want to make sure that they can stay warm. So now we're going to check it out. This cat house is insulated and has a heating pad to keep them warm through the winter months. Okay, now that we've got our support put together, we are going to put it inside. Now that we've got our inside support secure, we are going to go ahead and put this door in place here, and it attaches by the Velcro. With the door in place here, the cats are going to be able to enter here and then go on in over here for the warmth. Here's the warming pad that goes inside, and as you can see here, we can remove the outer coating and we can always wash it when needed. So here's what it looks like with the heating pad in, and on the side there is a spot to simply pull the cord through. So we're just going to push that through here. And just like that, the cord comes out. So now all I've got to do is close the top. We are ready to take it outside and plug it in. So just like this, we have it outside, and we've got it open, and there's a kitty cat. So they can go in and out as they please and stay warm.